Your Excellency, the hospital in Tasia, Kwandege will be ready in about 2 weeks. Nakuru Kwandega and Nakuru Parobe are really at the first stages. They are currently being equipped. They are also the complete facilities. Kianda 42 is one that you did the ground exam, and you know about exam, and you had also helped us to get expansion from the Cultural Society of Kenya. So it's going to go 3 floors, it's going to be bigger than the other facilities. We also constructing one in Bundu, and Karura, in Wiki, within Muguasai, already commissioned the hospital, and we tried to achieve. And then there were 5 other hospitals that were stalled, and we are refurbishing the buildings and equipping them to make them the complete hospitals. Lunga Sai is ready, commissioning at your convenience. Pendo Health Facility, we had a bit of hostility, but it's now starting. Riluta Satellite is ready for commissioning at your convenience. Dandora Health Center is starting now, and Kibera Chiefstown in Soweto, which was an abandoned CDF building, that one is also starting right away. So this is the overview of the 24 hospitals. These are the ones that the conditions are, and thank you very much. In these facilities, they are already operational, as you have seen. How many people are using so far? So far we've treated 16,000 patients in this form. Here it is. As you can see, in Uthiru we have seen nearly 6,000 patients, 5,900. In Shirika we have seen 3,541. In Jamaica we have seen 2,919. In Soweto, Kayole, 3,700. Yes, sir. Your Excellency, sir, a day after you left the facilities, we saw over 300 patients in each of these facilities, sir. In Uthiru, we were nearly conducting our first cesarean delivery, but as it is, the woman delivered successfully, so that's also a good thing, sir. But we have the theatre operational there. So in total, we've seen 16,000 patients in just the course, in 1 month, sir. And this is quite as you can see, sir, if you look at the previous slides, if you look at the previous slide, the number of maternities, yes, this one is here, sir, the number of care. In Uthiru alone is 326, and we've already conducted 17 deliveries. Usually, mothers prefer to deliver where they have gone to clinic. So if you look at that trend, sir, you can see the number of people that will be delivering in the future. It will almost be 326 in the next 8 or 9 months. And the same with Kayole Soweto, you can see the very high number of mothers that are attending clinic here, sir. That's 264, but we've done so far around 11 deliveries in that facility, sir. And sir, there are also 2 other facilities, sir, as I mentioned, that are ready for commissioning. We have already started operations, sir. We've seen in Katina and also in Bishaki facilities. So we've seen Katina and Bishaki are also ready, sir. And sir, as part of the directive, was also this hospital that has stalled for the last 30 years, sir, and you directed us to complete it. This hospital will be ready in the month of May, sir. We've already, as you can see, the staff quarters are already ready. The building is at 90% complete.
Mwari wa Scorpio ri anjira atiriri thiini wa mitambo-ini akitengeneza TV tungeambia watu nini
Aiguthondeka iguru njenge guku
eto ndukamake ni tugutumira mundu wa guthondekera TV iyo na aerial koguo mwari wa mwari wa Scorpio ikara mitambo-ini njenga ni eguka
gucenjeria nginya bulb
ciothe no ndoria mathondekaga bulb ciao tukario ku
wanatungana nao
na andu a thitima
wanatungana nao
hatiarega Kamandi captain ona akiaraugia thiini muno Anisalimia DJ Kari sana. Eva Smiling Lucy Cheza leo amerudi, niko in kama kawaida. Mwena wake gajo show imeshika kushika. Lucy Cheza arauga amerudi tondu arire jana marari mathiko ma Simon De Santos. Na mathite kutu represent ko. Paul Kifade ethenie muno ajira gugeithie. Wa Maria wa mai mahiu arauga ndimugeithirie DJ Charisma no tunda Kathe Kuria Petesha uga tunda akiwa Lanet, best show ever. Jogu Nyamobigi pia ako ndani. Kathe Njeri, Charles Ireri wa Shamata ako ndani. Ainoa Railways ako ndani sana. Anangoja Firirida. Adeketa waiting for Firirida.
Tutacheza hata hiyo Firirida.
Demo gatogo na Kethi muno, Esther Mamake Levis, Miriam Kagunyi, Hai Wangari, Chaka Nyeri pamoja sana. Salimia Kariz na Reda Rumero wa Wangari wa Kabera.
Wa Kabera nitugula.
Na dika ni wale watu soso.
Tutu.
Nganga ajire thini muno mwana wa Githunguri, Steven Maina wa Shira. Shera Maria Jona Kethi muno. Aga mko smart sana na DJ Shiromo Jogona wa tuni na salimia